Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
An OpenAI-compatible API gateway in API examples unifies models, and quick code connection awaits later. This single gateway gives developers immediate access to top models like Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. Building modern applications often requires managing separate API keys and billing systems across vendors. You query multiple models through one endpoint, leveraging simplified API key management and flexible model switching. Supported providers include OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and DeepSeek for wide model compatibility. To start, install the OpenAI SDK with pip and initialize a client pointing to your custom endpoint. Using an MCP server, overclick lets autonomous agents execute coding tasks on your machine while unlocking an 11-tool workflow. It powers hybrid teams where humans decide the goals while connected coding agents execute work locally. Instead of a traditional ticket, you write plain language test scripts so agents know exactly what to deliver. The quick start takes minutes with Docker to launch your Postgres database and onboard your first executor agent. What makes cards different is defining validation criteria before work starts, separating machine builds from human approvals. Its protocol surface exposes 11 tools with atomic claims over streamable HTTP, making agent coordination seamlessly traceable. By fine-tuning a custom LoRA voice adapter, ownvoice generates personalized speech locally. But why stop relying on reference audio? You can train your model locally and save the result as a file, without paying an API subscription. You can install the CLI using pip or npm across your native development environments. Run quick start validation on CPU before renting expensive GPU hardware to confirm model compatibility for free. Because project maintainers were clear that fine-tuning was not coming soon, this fills the gap for local speech models. While pocket-tts ships zero-shot voice cloning, baking voice weights permanently avoids distributing a reference audio clip. Bounding box target localization lets visual understanding extract coordinates across images, while leaving prompt-driven automation for our final reveal. You can serve multimodal models from Anthropic and Zhipu through one unified interface. Processing local base64 inputs allows vision tools to handle image comparisons alongside document reading effortlessly. Setting environment variables with export grants instant authentication for your key visual providers. Integrating directly into desktop apps like Cursor unlocks direct vision tools inside your chat environment. Finally, AI agents use skill files and prompt flags to run image grounding commands automatically. With mcp-graph-me-tool, relaying user tokens to microSgraph-me becomes effortless, but gateway policies unlock automated security. This minimal server acts purely as a stateless relay, passing whatever bearer token the caller provides straight to graph. When an incoming HTTP request arrives, the tool reads the authorization header and fetches the profile JSON on success. For running locally, executing npm start spins up the service listening on port 8080 by default. During development, running npm test triggers a quick node syntax check on the main server file. When you deploy this image behind an enterprise agent gateway backend route, token exchange policies handle Entra authentication automatically. Using a local WebSocket bridge, Figma-agent-kit lets AI agents read open canvases directly, but how are exports compressed? This desktop plugin connects hosts like Cursor and Claude directly to your artwork without REST API uploads. You can quickly configure your editor using simple JSON MCP servers, settings, or CLI commands. All bridge traffic stays private on localhost, while leader and follower election lets multiple windows share one connection. You download the zip plugin from GitHub releases and keep it matched with the STIO package. It compresses exports with tiny PNG-style compression across MessagePack binary channels for supercharged Canvas workflows. That's the mix for today. More trending dev tools and AI agents in the next one.